Winner of the SEO Geek Award.
Thank you. How many of you are responsible for developing content for your websites? How many of you feel like you are appreciated in that role? So we have two people that are appreciated. Good. How do we get people to read the content we want them to read? We're getting more complicated because we're looking to find a specific group of people, our target market, and measuring ourselves by how well we have reached them. Not everyone comes to your website for the same purpose and for the same reason. So we've got to break down motivations. Why did someone come to the website? What were they looking for? The more you listen as a salesperson, the more you learn. And the more you learn, the more intelligently you can sell. We'll build a mental image of the person we're trying to reach. And content is not just writing content, not just developing it, but how you present that content. You just need to change it. Buy. That's all you're doing. Buy. Stop being complicated. Stop muddying the water. Simple things and how you arrange and develop content will further your credibility. The majority of people are going to scan the content on your site. Very few are going to read it. Look at the eyes on that dog. He's had this collar on way too long. Here's what they actually saw. See, when we screen out everything that people didn't scan, it tells a completely different story. Like, this is so full of warm fuzzies. Instead of showing a dog that is shocked into this state of a coma, they're reinforcing all this warm fuzziness. And as a business owner, your analytics are your key to happiness. The 3 C's of analytics are context. This is where we build our segment. What do these people have in common? Let's build a context. Let's tell a story about these people. Here's the key to analytics. We're not looking so much at the numbers. We're looking at behavior. We're all becoming psychologists. I love Star Trek because there is something that goes on in Star Trek episodes with the people that wear red shirts. Does anyone know what happens when you wear a red shirt on Star Trek? You die. Exactly. Is it true that red shirts die more than everybody else? Yes, it is. Now, what does a good analyst do here? Why? Why do red shirts die more often? So when we understand why, we can change our behavior. We can change what we're doing on the website when we understand why. So if you're interested in the book, it's called Internet Marketing An Hour a Day, and it's written really in the same format of taking things that we know, that we already understand in terms of sales and marketing, and translating it into doing business online. Thank you so much for your attention this afternoon.